What you're looking at, if you're close to it, it's going to come down within an inch, 2 inches back. So you should have been about 1 inch higher right there, and you'd have been dead on it.
You got littler fingers.
So 9 out of 10?
Huh? 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Not bad.
He had a whole
Yeah,
lot
right.
of
What you talking about?
Oh, right off at the bottom.
Kim, did you pick that up?
Huh?
Did you look at it? Jeremy not vote, right?
The reason why you want to stand 45 to rear, see if this thing has side pressures coming here. So his toes are just back behind it, and that's look at that. Not straight underneath. You go straight underneath, what's going to happen? That's your compression side. It's going to pinch, then you're stuck in a loaded spring pole. Oh well. It's about 2 inches, so that'd be an inch. That's a 9-pointer.